Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I'm not out on the bike today. We're doing something rather different and rather interesting, and if you guys stick around, I'll explain in a bit more detail what this is all about. So in fine biking buddies fashion, without further ado, let's cue VT.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, cause you're desperate? Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison, what's your pleasure?
Now, for those of you that are members of the TRF, you will be well aware of what we do as a group, as a national group. Yes, we ride in some beautiful areas, riding on legal byways. If you are new to the TRF, then you may not be aware of all of the super good work that goes on in the background. And I'm pleased to say that I've taken up the position of the Pathkeepers representative for the North Yorkshire TRF, representing the Yorkshire Dales. We also have very active members that look after the other areas that are within our local footprint, the North Yorkshire Moors, and that's where I am today. It's a voluntary function that the TRF undertake, and the whole idea is that we come out voluntarily as a group, whether that's a work party or just individuals, and we help to repair and maintain those green roads that we all thoroughly enjoy as our hobby and our pastime. So where am I today? Well, I'm on the shoulder, the northwest shoulder of the North Yorkshire Moors National Park. I'm in this beautiful area locally known as Colson Banks. Now, we've had an awful lot of rain of late, and the rain, as we all know, is devastating to some of the trails, particularly when we've got, as you can see, predominantly a gravel trail that runs through the forest. So the detail of our watch today under the Pathkeeper scheme is to effect a repair, clear the drainage ditches, level out the path where we can. It's going to be manual work, so picks and shovels, that kind of thing, just to make sure that when it rains the next time, the water's got somewhere to roll. So come with me, let's have a look at this trail and see how bad the erosion is before our work party descends and we get stuck into the hard stuff. Okay, so here we are halfway down Colson Bank. You can see there behind me, and you can see the ruts from the runoff with the water. So we have got a drainage gully down to the side of the track here, leading all the way up to the top, and at various intersections on the way down as we go around the corner, then there are some underground drainage culverts that some of them are a little bit blocked, some of them less so, and they're the ones that we'll be working on. So it's really important that we do this work, not only just to keep public relations where they need to be, but also for that outright strapline of the TRF, which is conserving green roads.